looking pretty good. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to the beautiful city of Houston, Texas. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to do some cool lines in your car using 3M lines you can buy online. You can buy on Amazon, you can buy on eBay, you can buy anywhere. So these accents are gonna make your car look awesome. Let me show you. I already did one. I just did this line right here. It flows around. So we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna do this side to match that out. It looks pretty cool already. Of course, with all the accents, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do one here. We're gonna do some more around the car. So let's start. Let's jump in the other side. Let's do it and let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use today. I bought this on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can check it out. And they have different colors. They have different options there, metallic colors and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool. You can buy the one you want and start doing this yourself. And I'm gonna talk about a little bit of the tools I bought to do this so y'all can do it at home. Okay, so this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a knife, a wrap stick. We're gonna need, of course, the tape on the color we wanted. I did this mix with 10% alcohol, 90% water. We're gonna need a heat gun, and of course, a piece of fabric or anything to wipe the dust and everything down before we put the wrap tape here. So let's just start. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow this line right here. First, I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna do that. First, I'm gonna clean it with my mix of water and alcohol. Yes, my car is always dirty, I know. After you clean it, we're gonna measure the tape, how long we need it, and then we're gonna cut it in the right piece. To measure it, I need my two hands, but I'm gonna just leave a little bit of excess on each side, and I'm gonna cut it and put it in place. Okay, so now I have my piece here, and I'm gonna start doing this. Let me get the tripod so I can show y'all how to do it. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna follow this line right here, and I'm gonna just put it in place. Okay, so I want to show y'all how this looks. Okay, so follow the line right there, and if you see here, you see those wrinkles. Actually, I can just pull this a little bit up. You see the wrinkles there, and that's why we need the heat gun. So that the heat gun is gonna take all that off. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Okay, so now it looks a lot better. Follow that beautiful line right there. So we're gonna cut here and tuck this in, and the same in the other side. Grab the knife and you're gonna cut a little bit out. There you go. Real easy because you don't want to scratch the paint. This, so we can push this in like this. This is soft, so it won't scratch or damage the part, but as y'all can see there, yeah, it's nice and comes inside real good. Okay, so now that we have this part covered, let's just come here, hit this. So I'm gonna put the heat gun. Don't judge me. This is not maybe the best heat gun, but it works. It has worked for me, so I'm gonna just keep using it. So we put it on, I put it on high. It depends on the wrapper. So y'all can see how it starts going away. There we go. Saw that? I don't know if I recorded, but you saw now that the wrinkles are almost completely out. So we're gonna just come here. Now they are out. Okay, so now that we have that part, we're gonna grab the heat gun and apply some heat here. Yeah, and all the wrinkles. So I don't know if I recorded, but yeah, if we, yep, if we, there you go. It's nice and beautiful, and all the wrinkles are out. Don't put too much heat, because you don't wanna damage the part or the wrap. So just a little bit, enough to the wrinkles to go out, and that's how it looks. Looks pretty good. So that's something y'all can do at home, and it looks pretty cool. Like I said, I'm gonna do a couple more because I want to do some more in the car, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm not gonna record all that because it's the same process for every part. So if y'all have any questions about this or how to fix any parts or problems, let me know down below in the comments so I can answer those questions. I'm not a professional rapper, but I have done a couple of times to my car, so I know a little bit of the answer. So I'm more than glad to help if I can. Okay, so I finished that one and did a couple more. I did this one right here, this one right here, and I'm doing the front lip right here. Boom. I'm gonna continue doing that, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow that line right there on the inside. Boom, 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 all the way to the other side. So I want y'all to see this because I could not show it in the other video. So here we have a little bit of wrinkles. We're gonna grab the heat gun, wait a little bit till it gets hot to the touch. Okay, and we're gonna pass it. And y'all see how those wrinkles are out now? And just like that, this is a simple way to make your car stand out. It's not big changes, but in the details, you can see the love in the car. It's looking pretty good. And it was not expensive at all. I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description so y'all can buy all the tools, the wrapping tape, so y'all can do it yourself. This is Arturo Supercar. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next time. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe. I'm gonna leave you guys with a couple of cool shots. Woo!